Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is FOMC interest rate news for the US. That's definitely going to cause a lot of volatility on all the US dollar pairs, and I will be live streaming for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop in if you'd like to participate in the live stream for the FOMC interest rate news. So anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as 3 ways up for W, 3 ways down for X, and I still think, even with the current price that's in, that it is going to go up and make 3 waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think will most likely go up and have it taken out the previous highs. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, the Aussie has been very weak to the downside, but I definitely am still looking at this as an A over here. I still think this is a wave B. I still think this right here is a 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. I actually think the wave 1 of 3 is right here, and this is actually an expanding flat wave 2 of wave 3, and I still think it's going to go up for a wave 3 of wave 3, which is actually a wave C of wave Y to form that pattern that I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Now this is where you can kind of more clearly see what I'm talking about, because we have a nice 5 waves up, which I think is a wave 1. This is 1, 2, 3 waves down, very clearly 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3 waves up, very clearly 3 waves up. I think this is an A, I think this is a B, and I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a wave C. I think this is a higher high wave B, lower low wave C. I think it's an expanding flat, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. If that is true, then it probably will go up. It probably will break structure and most likely continue the uptrend, ending a wave 2 and continuing up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, now you can start to see the 5 wave pattern a little bit more clearly. It's actually almost a perfect 5 waves down, and even the wave 5, it looks like it's forming 5 waves. So for me, it's not really confirmed to be going up until it actually takes out this structure right here. But with the big news that we got coming out today, I think there is a pretty good chance that it will go up. It probably will break structure, and hopefully it will continue the uptrend, starting a big uptrend 3, wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, for now, I would actually still be primarily looking for shorts until we actually do get a break of structure to the upside. We really can't confirm one way or the other whether it really is going to go up. It always could end up doing this and then continuing down like that. And I am definitely going to look for shorts unless it makes a big impulsive move up and takes out this high right here. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts on these shorter time frames, just in case it does keep on trending down. It's not going to really bother me any, because I'm looking for shorts anyways. If it goes up and breaks structure, that's not going to bother me at all either, because I'll stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So either way, I don't really care what it does. As long as I follow structure, follow price, I think we're going to be trading in the right direction as usual. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.